So we've identified this exact bar to enter from. We're putting our buy order here. And as you can see, the market moved on up.
This is the MTFX trading system. It's distinctly unique because it looks at multiple timeframes at the same time through one chart. An MTFX entry will only occur once multiple facets of price information and its criteria have been met, meaning the prospect of entering a trade and going your way is dramatically increased. Even knowing the long-term trend, so many traders miss time entering the market, costing them dearly. MTFX works as a preventative measure so that entries do not happen at an inopportune time. Instead, only when there's coherence between many timeframes. The line here will give us influence and is a fundamental component of this trading system, combining a fusion of time as well as the value of the asset based on the economic shape. But let's free ourselves from the complexities that give power to this system by presenting it in a more simplified way. This is a two-step system. In the first step, we'll put together our reasoning to determine which direction we'll be looking to trade the market. Part of this will include looking at higher timeframes and taking notice of how the influence line is behaving. And in case you're wondering, no, this has nothing to do with moving averages. The second step, we drill down using the accuracy of the MTF-X to pinpoint the exact bar for entry. Remember, we're looking for the market to explode in your favor after this entry, so let's get into it.
So here we are looking at the FTSE 100 on the hourly chart. We can see we have an inverse head and shoulders pattern. We can use the right shoulder to look for an entry, as this pattern indicates there could be a rise in price of this currency pair. We also have our MTFX influence line sloping upwards, giving us further validation that price may indeed rise. So we now have a solid reasoning to support our long bias. Let's look for buying opportunities. So the next step, we'll drill down to a lower time frame and use the MTFX system to accurately time our entry so the price explodes in our favor. Now here we are on the 1 minute chart. You can see we have our line of influence as well as the 3 other lines that make up the MTFX system. As mentioned before, on this one chart, we're utilizing the power of many time frames to give us a greater edge that market will move in our favor. Remember, based on step 1, we're looking for prices to move up. Here's how simple this system is to use. Firstly, we need to find a wide range green bar. The way you can tell it's wide range is that the surrounding bars will be significantly smaller. Secondly, the wide range bar needs to break through at least 3 of the 4 lines on the chart, which ultimately signals price passing through multiple time frames, which makes our entry that much more powerful. And finally, we need to make sure that our influence line is sloping in the right direction. As you can see, it is sloping upwards. So we've identified this exact bar to enter from. We're putting our buy order here. And as you can see, the market moved on up.